Hi and welcome to this online demonstration of how to install James Hardie Stria Cladding. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Stria to get a timeless classic look that endures. Okay guys, so safety first, always wear your P1 or P2 dust mask, your standard PPE, and always make sure you're cutting in a well ventilated area. Tell people in the immediate area that you will be cutting and there will be dust, and never cut indoors. When using a power saw, always have a dust extraction system connected to the saw. For more information, check out the James Hardie safety data sheet. Now the prep work is done, I'm going to break down the installation process into 5 easy steps. Okay, step 1, mark 20 to 50 millimeters past the slab edge for your first board. This situation we've got here is a raised flashing detail, so it's a little bit different, but as long as you've got enough clearance for water and moisture to get out past your flashing at the base of your board, that's all you need. Step 2, install the first board, ensuring that the top of the board hits the datum line you've already pre-marked. So put a fixing in the underlap where you don't see it, and then check your wing classification to see if you need another fixing on the face. So step 3, make sure your boards are locked in nice and tight. Use a decent sized block to tap them in and make sure they're level. When joining off stud, apply a 6mm bead of James Hardie joint sealant to the butt joint. So step 4, fill your internal corners with the James Hardie joint sealant to fill up that 2mm gap. Step 5, repeat the process, just fix off all the remaining boards until you have a professional finish. Okay, so now that you've installed your Stria cladding, it can be left exposed for up to 90 days before painting. Thanks for watching this online demonstration of how to install the James Hardie Stria cladding. For more information, check out the Stria technical manual.